Back in the subway. Taking the escalator up at Busan Station.
Maybe will it rain?
No, it's not raining either.
No, I said, are they running?
Well, they will seem like they were. They're right there in front of us. Busan Station. Everything around. We got here on subway, but you can also take the bus. Came up from right over there. Lots of people here. Let's go inside and get on the Seoul. Busan is good. This is the way inside to the train tracks. We have tickets for the KTX, which is their high-speed train. And we're gonna find out inside, okay? All right, we're gonna go inside now. Right here. Right there. And there's escalators right there. Oh. To ticketing. At the top. Waiting area. A bakery. All your ticketing is over there, and you can use the machines, but they do not take foreign cards. Ticketing machines or quick purchase or ticketing counter. All right, video departure boards. Find the right tracks for your departure. Number 48 train. We're gonna go to deck 4. And if you look, it tells you that this board will be lit at the time. So now we're gonna go to gangway 4 and find our train, which is let's go over there to the platform. Just a simple walk and then down the stairs. There's the sign. We're going down. Okay. Our tickets say we're in car 5. Seat 10C. So let's find car 5. That's car 14. So let's find car 5, maybe down there. Alright, it's too crowded. I'm getting on here. Guys, we finally made it car 5. It's going forward, thank God. Alright, let's find our seats. Let's see. Under way back. It's a decent slide. Okay. Let's enjoy this 2.5 hour train ride. Train back table. Oh yeah, okay.